Introduce highlight features or overview summary of DORTALA lawn mower. There are features include. This high-performance lawn mower features a powerful 12-amp motor with a cutting speed of 3,800 rpm and a 14-inch cutting deck, ensuring fast and efficient mowing for large areas. It comes with a large grass collection box 9.3 gallons that can be attached for side discharge or detached for mulching, meeting different mowing needs and keeping your lawn clean. Starting the mower is simple and safe with just a push of the safety button and a pull of the switch lever, and the double switch design ensures the lever automatically returns to the off position when released. With 3 cutting height options, 1, 1.8 and 2.5 inch, you can adjust the cutting height according to different grass conditions. Plus, it requires no gas, oil, or emissions, making it a sustainable choice. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.